Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. You have another set of revision assignment, and this revision assignment is going to help you out to write your exams. So make sure that you're making a habit of reading your textbook as well as preparing your revision sheets. Let's begin. Which water body is flowing through the mountain? Which water body is flowing through the mountain? This is a mountain. It can be a glacier mountains, it can be a rocky mountain like in the Ghats, in the Western Ghats. So which water body is flowing from the water? It's the origin, it's a source, it's a river. Okay, like the glacier is a Ganga and the peninsula is Godavari and Krishna. So here lake, sea and river. The answer is river. 3 is the answer. Clear children? Let's go for the next one. When was the first railway line started in India? The first railway line was started during the British era time in 1853. Okay, in 1853 this was constructed, and when the Industrial Revolution started in England, in the London. Okay, they in 1830 they have started in London, and in 1853 it was started in India from Bombay to Thane, and now Bombay is called as Mumbai, right? So when the construction, the railway tracks was laid down to travel from Bombay to Thane, it was approximately 34 kilometers. Is it clear? So it was started in 1853. So let's see. The first option, 1853 is the answer. Clear? Let's go for the next one. A dash is a sheltered body of water where ships, boats and barges can be docked. So let me read again. A dash is a sheltered body of water where ships, boats and barges can be docked. This is something where a locomotive, this is a water locomotive, so it can be a ship, it can be a steamer where it takes rest and all the loading and unloading takes place. So where actually the unloading and loading can be takes place in the water bodies is the harbor, right? Let's see whether we have this option. Coast, bay, cove or harbor. 4 is the answer. 4 harbor, 4 is the answer. Clear children? Let's go for the fourth one. River dash is the longest river in the world. So which river is the longest river in the world? Is the river Nile. River Nile is the longest river in the world, and where you can find river Nile? In the Egypt, and it joins to the Red Sea. You can say the mouth of the Nile, it joins in the Red Sea. And where is the Nile river? It is in Egypt. And where is Egypt? Egypt is in Africa, the northeastern part of Africa, you can say. It's in east part. Okay, is it clear? So the longest river is river Nile. 3 is the answer. Clear children? Let's go for the next one. Dash is a process of moving humans, animals and goods from one place to another place. It's very simple to understand. So that is nothing but a transportation, right? With the help of the transportation, we can move from one place to another place. It's not only human, even the animals also, goods and animals. So let's see, communication, transportation. 2 is the answer. Next one. Small rivers which flow down a hills or mountains are called. Let me read again. Small rivers which flows down a hills or mountains are called. So small rivers, okay, small rivers which flows from the mountains. So from the small rivers, there's another small rivers. It starts from there. These all are called as streams and look so beautiful. Mostly you find in the hill stations, okay, in Shimla, and you find little bit in Dehradun and some part of Nainital. You find all these streams in. It makes the tourists to attract that places. Okay, so let's see. Lake, sea, river and stream. So the answer is 4. 4 is the answer. Stream is the answer. Clear? Let's go for the next one. Dash was a bird used for communication in ancient days. Dash was a bird used for communication in ancient days. So which bird is used to communicate in ancient days? Is a pigeon, right? And I wonder how it was trained actually. And after pigeon, even the bird eagle was also trained. Okay, but maybe it was very difficult to train the eagle. It is little wild in the nature, and pigeon was more flexible to train them. So the Asian people, they have trained the pigeon. So the answer is 1. 1 is the answer. Next one. A river dash is the part of the river. A river dash is a part of the river where the river debonds into another river. Let me read again. A river dash is a part of river where the river debonds into another river, a lake, a reservoir, a sea, or an ocean. If you can see here, there is a source of the river and there is a mouth of the river. Source is the starting and the mouth where it's going to join the other water bodies like sea or ocean. So here, so this is nothing but the mouth of a river which joins the sea or ocean. So here source, delta, mouth or estuaries. The answer is 3. 3 is the answer. Is it clear, children? Let's go for the next one. Dash is a hollow and the lowland where the rainwater gets collected. This is a lake. Lake, in some places the lake is also called as tanks where the rainwater is collected. Okay, so the answer is for this is lake. So 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. The first train in India streamed off from dash to dash. The first train in India was streamed from dash to dash. It was the first railway started in 1853, and from where to, I already said, it started from Bombay to Thane or Mumbai to Thane. Okay, let's see whether we can find it out. Mumbai to Pune, Mumbai to Thane. Answer is 2 again here. The two main forms of land transport are dash and reserve. What are the two main land transport? You have the road transport as well as the rail transport, right? Let's see. The first option, rail and road. The first one is the answer. Let's go for the next one. The second largest continent is known as dash continent. The second largest continent is known as dash continent. You have South America, Europe, Africa and North America. So answer is the second largest continent is Africa. Okay, the first continent is, option is 3, right? The first continent, largest continent is Asia, right? So let's go for the next one. The word Pangaea is derived from, the word Pangaea is derived from Greek word, okay, Greek mythology, okay, the Greek were the first person who has discovered and invented a lot of things. So what is Pangaea? Is a land, right? And Panthalassa is a huge water bodies. So Latin, Sanskrit, Dutch or Greek? The answer is Greek. 4 is the answer for this. What is Pangaea? It's a land, huge land masses. A deep and the vast stretch of water found along the edges of the continent is called a dash. Let me read again. A deep and the vast stretch of water found along the edges of continents is called dash. What is that? You have the ocean, you have the sea, you have the lake, or you have the delta. What is the question? Deep and vast stretch water bodies is nothing but ocean. Ocean is joining all the other water bodies, right? So what is the answer for this? Ocean. So let me read the question again for you people to understand. A deep and the vast stretch of water, a deep, very deep, so oceans are very deep. A deep and the vast stretch of water found along the edges of the continents is called as ocean. The answer is ocean. Is it clear, children? With this, we have concluded the assignment. So make sure that you're practicing the revision assignment thoroughly and reading your test book along with the revision sheets. Thank you.